Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In our last videos, we have seen up to pattern number 19. Now in today's session, we are discussing about pattern number 20. What is this pattern? Same like previous. We are going to take 7 rows and 7 columns. In the top, I don't want any stars. In the bottom, so we need to take all stars, or you can ignore one star. Otherwise better to take, and here we are going to ignore 2 stars, and here we have to ignore these 2 stars, and here stars are not required. Like in this direction I want, it is the same like previous, it is same like previous. In the first, I value is less than j, we have taken. I value is greater than j, we have taken. Here what we have to do, I value is greater than j, but 12 minus I should be less than j. I value is greater than j. In the previous program, I value is lesser, but now what we have to do, I value is greater, right? Here I value is less when compared with j, but here I value is greater when compared with j. That's why only this condition we have to change. I is greater than or equal to j. And what about the 12 minus I? It should be less than, because when keep on the values are increasing, here you can see 10 and then 9. What about a 12 minus I? 12 minus a 10. 12 minus a 10 is nothing but what a 2. That should be less than j, right? That's why. So like this, if you take, then we are going to get stars in the down direction. You can see all possible combinations we have covered. All possible combinations we have covered. If you see, if you want to get the stars in the left direction, if you want to get the stars in this left direction, I value should be greater than or equal to j. 12 minus I should be greater than or equal to j. If you want to get in the right direction, I value is less than or equal to j. 12 minus I is also less than or equal to j. So greater than symbol is replaced with less than symbol for both cases. If you want in the top direction, I value should be less when compared with j, and 12 minus I should be greater. And for this, I value should be greater with j, and 12 minus I should be less than with j. These are nothing but almost similar kind of pattern programs. Once if you practice by taking a big chart, you people are going to get clarity on these patterns. Okay. I think you people enjoyed these first 20 star based patterns. Now we will see few more examples, of course, by using stars only, but how differently we can able to print, that we will see in our upcoming pattern programs. Okay. Right. Thank you.